It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, Audi Advance Key, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.